Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
In the realm of interior design, the bathroom has evolved from a utilitarian space to a sanctuary of luxury and relaxation. Among the various design elements that contribute to the transformation of a bathroom, marble stands out as a timeless and elegant choice. Marble's inherent beauty, versatility, and durability make it an ideal material for modern bathroom design. In this extensive guide, we will delve into the world of marble modern bathroom design, exploring its aesthetic appeal, practical considerations, and the myriad ways in which it can elevate your space. Marble has captivated designers and homeowners for centuries with its luxurious appearance and unique veining patterns. Quarried from various parts of the world, marble comes in a wide range of colors, from classic white and gray to more exotic hues like green and black. Each slab of marble is a natural work of art, with distinct veining and shading that add character and sophistication to any space. One of the most appealing aspects of marble is its ability to reflect light, giving bathrooms a bright and airy feel. Whether used for flooring, countertops, or wall cladding, marble adds a touch of opulence and grandeur to the bathroom. Its smooth, polished surface creates a sense of luxury, inviting you to indulge in a spa-like experience every time you step into the room. One of the key advantages of marble is its versatility in design. From classic to contemporary, marble complements a wide range of design styles, making it suitable for any bathroom aesthetic. In a modern bathroom, marble can be used in various ways to create a sleek and sophisticated look. For a minimalist approach, large-format marble tiles can be used on both the floor and walls to create a seamless, uninterrupted surface. Paired with sleek fixtures and minimalist accessories, this design creates a clean and understated elegance. Alternatively, marble can be used as a statement piece in the bathroom, with a focal point such as a marble bathtub surround or a striking accent wall. This allows you to showcase the natural beauty of the marble while adding a touch of drama to the space. While marble is renowned for its beauty, it is also a practical choice for the bathroom. Its durability and longevity make it an excellent investment that will withstand the test of time. Properly sealed, marble is resistant to water, stains, and scratches, making it suitable for use in high-moisture environments like the bathroom. However, it is important to note that marble requires regular maintenance to keep it looking its best. Sealing the marble surface every few months helps to protect it from moisture and stains, while routine cleaning with a mild, pH-neutral cleaner prevents the buildup of dirt and grime. With proper care, your marble bathroom will retain its beauty for years to come. When incorporating marble into your bathroom design, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're renovating an existing bathroom or starting from scratch, there are numerous ways to integrate marble into the space. In conclusion, marble modern bathroom design offers a perfect blend of elegance, luxury, and practicality. Whether you're renovating a small powder room or designing a spa-like master bathroom, marble adds a timeless appeal that never goes out of style. With its beauty, versatility, and durability, marble is an ideal choice for creating a sophisticated and inviting space where you can relax and rejuvenate. By incorporating marble into your bathroom design, you can transform your space into a sanctuary of luxury and style that you'll enjoy for years to come. As we come to the end of today's video, I hope you found some inspiration and ideas for your own interior design projects. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, and creative solutions for transforming your space. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments below which design element you liked the most. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, happy decorating!